In this video, I'm going to show you a few more advanced options with Google Forms. So we've already created our form, and if we want to customize our form a little bit more, we can come up here to the top right corner to the paint palette, and you can change your theme. A very easy way to show for people that you have a little bit of knowledge of Google Forms is simply by changing the color. By not sending out a purple form, you've already shown people that you know what you're doing. If you want to go a little bit more advanced, you can click choose image, and then you can select any of these fun preloaded images from Google Forms. You can also upload your own picture or your own photo. You can change the form. You have options for different background colors, different fonts, and everything that fit within that theme. After we've made our form, you can also change some things in the settings up here. You can turn on collect email addresses, and you can turn on response receipts if you'd like. This is great for providing people confirmation that they have submitted your form, which is always nice for applications and things like that. You can turn on edit after submit. So after somebody submits, they can change their responses. Be careful with see summary charts and text responses, especially if you've collected name and any other personal information, because you can't limit it to certain questions. They'll be able to see every single result. So just be careful with that one. But if it's an anonymous form where you're collecting different types of data and analyzing that data, it could be a fun way to take a look at that. Within presentation, you can, one nice thing to do is change the confirmation message. The default is your response has been recorded. You can change it to something simple like, thank you and have a nice day. And then once an individual submits, then that's how they will see it at the end. Another really important thing to do with forms is to preview it once you're done. So if I click on the preview button, it will take me to my form and I can see what it would look like for somebody to fill it out. So this is what it would look like. The same questions are here, the places to put an email address, name, class period. You'll see that if I didn't fill that in, it shows that this is a required question, so you won't be able to submit until that's already done. I have all these questions. I can choose to get a copy of my own results. So that's what the form looks like from the preview. You can take this link and copy and paste it, say, into an email or within linked text into a presentation and have people access your form that way. You can also use the send option to send it to people via email, or you can take it and put it into Google Classroom or use a link shortener like Bitly to send it out to students. Thank you for watching and good luck with your forms.